Hello, welcome back to my channel Excel Acad. My name is Kushal and today I'm going to teach you if and IFS function used in Excel with conditional formatting. So let's get started. The basic difference between if and IFS function is if function can only be used for testing two conditions such as pass and fail, while IFS can be used if we want to check multiple conditions, such as if the student marks are greater than and equal to 70, it's grade A. If it's greater than equal to 50 but less than equal to 70, it's grade B. And if it's less than 50 and greater than equal to 35, it's grade C. And if it's less than 35, then it's a grade F. So here's the basic syntax for if function. That is equal to if logical test value, then what if the value is true, and after that what if the value is false. So let's just write that down. So is equal to if open bracket logical test value 1. So I want this to be less than 35, then I want it to be fail, else pass. Don't forget those inverted commas and brackets. I'll do that again one more time. Is equal to if open bracket logical test, that's C13 less than 35 comma inverted comma fail, again comma, else it's pass, inverted comma close, bracket close. Now I could just do drag and drop when the plus sign comes in on the cursor. Now let's use IFS. So that's is equal to, before that let's see the syntax. So that's IFS, then logical test value 1, value if it's true, logical test value 2, value if it's true, and so on. So let's try is equal to IFS logical test 1. So we want this to be greater than equal to 70, then we want A. That's test 1. Same thing, test 2 is if this number again is greater than equal to 50, we want B. That's test 2 completed. Logical test 3 is same number, greater than equal to 35, we want C. Logical test 3 completed. The last one is this is less than 35, we want F. That's completed. I'll close the bracket. Done. Oh, what does it say? Let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot the comma, that's why. See, that's how, if there is wrong, Excel won't let you enter the formula. And that's the main reason, right? You need to enter the syntax properly so that Excel returns a value. So that's F. Let's do that again. Logical test 1 greater than equal to 70, A. Okay, it's not completed. We want it to be A, comma again, greater than equal to 50. We want B greater than equal to 35. We want C less than 35. We want F. Same thing, plus sign, drag and drop. Now let's add conditional formatting. So select the cells where you want the conditional formatting to be. Go to home, you'll see conditional formatting here. This is an easy type of conditional formatting. So you could just go here, highlight cell rules, and we just want text that contains, because it's based on text. So if it's fail, it would be light red filled with dark red test. So that's the thing. This is not case sensitive. So you could just write fail. And same thing, I'll go back again. I'll do text that contains and pass. I don't like this color. I want this, but if I want to get something personalized or customized, I could go here, go to custom format. I just don't want any fill, so I'll just make it white, and I want my font to be green, dark green. I want it to be bold. So that's what I'll get. Now, if we want to check how many number of students passed, we could use COUNTIF formula. So the syntax for that is COUNTIF range. So that's the range of our cells, and our criteria is pass. Same thing, let's do that again. That's our range, and criteria is fail. So that's how you use if and IFS or nested if functions with conditional formatting. So that's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe so I could do this again with more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.